Hi everyone, I'm Adon Telesforo. Welcome to Nelson University Spring 2026 Chapel Highlights. Chapel is the heartbeat of our campus, the place we gather every week for anointed worship and an inspiring message. We were led by our own Nelson Worship all semester long and have heard from speakers around the world. Let's kick things off with a few of the funniest moments of the semester.
I will be the new president of Nelson University.
I don't think so.
Touchdown. Thinking in six or 7 years,
Where's Sabella at? All 6 of you guys, yes! Still keeping attendance high in Chapel, I like it.
Man, what's your name? This is the loudest I've heard that crowd all day. What's your name, bro? Levi?
Play that thing, bro. The Nord is from the Lord.
You open up your laptop, and there it is. The great white screen of death.
We have the third one.
Oh, it's in and out!
Uh-oh.
Christian versus atheist. To battle it out on a...
Yeah, it's really exciting.
Oh, yeah, and I'm in a taxi with you right now. I don't think I want to be in a taxi with you right now.
On the inside, I'm like, no!
Where's my phone at? Where? Oh my gosh! I can't find my phone. And then I look and I'm like, this thing been in my hand the entire time.
Get a book. If you want to QR code this, get your phone right now. You order your own copy. They'll take you right to, I believe, Amazon.
Come back to me. Come back to Blockblast.
Are you an AI bot?
Mike.
He's the man. None of you will be here then, okay? And so I don't know why you're so emotionally worked up right now.
Things changed because she went from having an engagement ring to a wedding ring to the suffering, right?
I'm still 27 years old. That's not true. Golly, if you're don't believe everything I say today, just the important stuff.
I would like to point out that's water and unspiked punch in those little glasses that they're holding.
No grass was growing. Just tumbleweeds doing what they do best. Tumbling.
With a new identity. Behave yourself, brother. Okay, I'm kidding.
Wow.
I'm like legit curled up under my desk. I'm like, why did this happen to me? As I take like another sip of chocolate milk. It was...
Say, oh no.
So then I was like, man, we're gonna call this Hammer Time. But then I realized all of y'all were born in 2000 or later. And you don't know who MC Hammer is.
You let the old guy just run off at the mouth. I mean, you played this really well. You really did.
Started thinking, you know what, these things are kind of sacred. And so I was like, Ryan, can't touch this. And
Done. Over.
Okay. Bye.
Just as I am, and waiting now to rid my soul of one dark light. To you whose blood can cleanse each spot, oh Lamb of God, I come. Your love is calling.
Every great man, every great woman that does a great work for God, if you look in the right area of their life and you look close enough, you'll see that they limp. Because somewhere God wrestled and broke the Jacob in them so that they could become Israel.
Notes, I'm here to tell you, in the same way our past mistakes, someone else's decisions, or unexpected detours have not disqualified us from God's purposes.
hear me when I say this. No stage will satisfy you. No platform will fulfill you. No career will make you content. No relationship will ever be enough. The one thing that can satiate your soul is Christ crucified and resurrected.
Thanks for joining us for another incredible semester of chapel here at Nelson University. Looking for some uplifting music to carry you through the break? Stream Nelson's Worship's new single, Lord You Reign, now available on any streaming platform. And if you want to revisit any of the moments from today or this semester, you can watch every chapel on the Nelson University Chapel YouTube channel. We can't wait to be back with you in August for more uplifting worship and powerful teachings. Until then, have a wonderful summer. I'm Adon Telesforo, and I'll see you in the fall.